It's time to start thinking about healthcare signups, and we know that is a little overwhelming or a lot. There is help out there when it comes to Medicare enrollment. Coventry Healthcare is ready to answer your questions.
When they're considering Medicare Advantage, I like to take the time to help them better understand the additional benefits they're going to enjoy on the Medicare Advantage plan. I had an appointment a little while ago with a lady down in Harrisonville, and she was turning 65, and so she asked for me to come out and talk to her, and her husband was a member. And I turned to him and I said, "Sir, how's Coventry treating you?" He said, "You guys saved my life." I said, "How did Coventry save your life? Isn't that something your doctor does?" Well, he got a call from one of our nurses who reached out to him and offered to help him. He said, "What can we do to help you?" And he said, "Yes, please come down and talk to me, help me." And within less than a year, he lost over 70 pounds. He changed his diet a little bit. He brought me into his kitchen. He looked at me, he said, "Rob, I can eat anything as long as it's green." Not only did he not need insulin at the time, he was able to get off 2 of the 3 prescriptions he was taking for diabetes, and he was only taking a low dose of metformin. He had so much energy, it totally changed his life. That's because if someone has a chronic condition, heart disease, diabetes, COPD, something, on a Medicare Advantage plan, you're probably going to get a call from one of the nurses who's going to reach out to you and offer some assistance. What can we do to help you? And I think that's a wonderful thing. And so I mention that to people and say, when you're deciding what's best for you, please keep these other care coordinator issues in mind.
You can get your Medicare questions answered by an expert. Coventry Healthcare has assembled a group of pros ready to take your call. The number is 866-533-5160. Again, that number 866-533-5160.